Hello, I am doing this here giveaway, the results today. Um, Thank you for being patient and waiting so long. Um, I think I did draw this out just a little too long, but I wanted to give a lot of people a chance. And so we've got 49 entries, 49 people commented, and also subscribed to the channel. So is the list of all the people here. Um, you guys can match it if you want to, if you think you might have got left out or something, but these are all the usernames. These were done in order of when the comment happened. So this is the most recent. This is the first comments. Okay, so we're going to do the spinning right here. And we've got cool guy. Cool guy, you have won these. Okay. That's awesome. So, what I will do, cool guy, I will comment to your comment um, and have you respond with your email address. And then we will work this out on shipping and everything of them. So, congrats and thank you to all of you for subscribing to this channel and being patient on this. Thanks for watching.